Today is NFP, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell this market because as you can see, there is a pool of liquidity here. This line shows there is liquidity lying over here, and we are going to sell. Yeah, I have opened 10 positions. This is I can as well add to 15. Okay, let's open to 20. These are 20 positions. I decided to sell this market, and I have not placed any stop loss because NFP, this can happen because there is this liquidity lying over here. There may be a spike to this area, then a massive sell, a spike in this area, then a massive sell. So let's wait and see what we are going to make. Yeah, and point to note is that you need to risk what you can afford to lose. Risk what you can afford to lose. And in this case, I have 2 or 3 accounts, and this is basically for news only. Today being on NFP day, I decided to sell because this liquidity lying over here, NFP may decide to sweep it. We may expect a spike over here, then massive sell. Let's wait and see what the market will do. Let's wait and see what the market will do. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Let's wait and see what NFP has for us today. I'll create a video explaining what I saw for that, so that I may sell. Few seconds. Wow. Wow. As I explained, there'll be a massive sell. See what is happening. Just as I had told you. Just as I had told you. And this is what NFP is doing. Yeah. NFP is blessing us. NFP is blessing us. don't know what is better. It cleared the liquidity I was telling you about, so expect massive sell. Expect massive sell. Yeah, after clearing buy side liquidity, it will sell massively. I told you there was a buy side liquidity and it was cleared. Now see what the market is doing. See what the market is doing. See what the market is doing. Market liquidity was cleared. Not market, but buy liquidity was cleared. Guys, as I explained to you earlier, see what NFP is doing. Now we can close. Don't be greedy. Let's close. Let's close. Don't be greedy. Let's close. And that's what we made today. NFP.